everyone, it's Ernie, and I just want to quickly apologize for the AC in the background. I kind of messed up on that part. But anyways, we're going to be reviewing the IQUNIX L80. So opening up the box, as you can see, you have the keyboard. And it comes in this plastic bag to keep the keyboard safe. And right here you get some instruction manuals and some stickers from IQUNIX, which is pretty cool in my opinion. And opening up the instruction manual, or it's not really instruction manual, but you know, it just gives you some function keys so you can use them to help you use the keyboard better. And opening up this box, we get prompted by quite a few things actually. So inside the box you get this nice keycap and switch puller all in one, which I think it's pretty cool, so I don't have to use different switch pullers and keycap pullers. I can just use that one. And here you get some keycaps for Mac OS layout if you use Mac. And something that IQUNIX provided us, which I really like, is actually a dust cleaner. I'm definitely going to be using this because I just don't want no dust to be on my keyboard. So yeah, I think that's pretty cool that they included that. We also get this braided USB cable to match the color of the keyboard, which honestly that's also pretty cool. This cable is a Type-C, which means you can literally use your custom cable on it, which honestly I don't have one, but I'm planning on getting one in the future. So I think this is just a cool feature that IQUNIX provided. Moving forward, I'm going to be unboxing the keyboard now, and it comes with this nice little dust cover, which honestly I love when keyboards companies do this because I just always like to keep my keyboard safe. And here up close, as you can see, it looks pretty nice. Got a nice little Lime 80 in the back, and you could see you can have flip up feet, which honestly I really like that they included this as well. And something I really like about this keyboard is that it is hot swappable, meaning you can change your switches and stuff. And this is a 5-pin PCB board, which means you can fit up to like Cherry MX switches, Gain switches, and pretty much like other types of switches. So yeah, that's pretty cool. And something I didn't really mention is that this keyboard is wireless as well. And if we flip around the keyboard, you saw that you could switch it between either being wired or wireless, which honestly it's pretty awesome. So you don't have to use a cable and worry about cable management. You can just easily use the keyboard wirelessly, either via Bluetooth or the USB that they gave you with the keyboard. This keyboard does retail at $265, but the time of recording this video, it is on sale for $169, and you can even use some promo codes that other content creators give you, so you can save like around $8. So in total you're pretty much paying $160 for this keyboard, which honestly I think it's a steal actually. This is a 80% layout type of keyboard, meaning you still get those arrow keys and you still get those function keys as well, which honestly I like having my arrow keys. I used to be into 60% keyboards, but after using 60% keyboards I realized how much I needed my arrow keys. So having this compact keyboard with arrow keys is honestly like just one of the greatest keyboards I've owned. This keyboard also comes with RGB and backlighting, but I didn't pay for the backlighting because it would cost more, and I also don't even use RGB anymore. But I'm gonna play this little clip on how the RGB looks like on this keyboard. The keycaps are PBT keycaps, which means you can literally change your keycaps as well. And honestly, the textures of these keycaps are honestly, I actually like them. You can obviously like change it. You can fully customize this keyboard how you like. I did get this keyboard with Cherry MX Reds, but like I said, this keyboard is hot swappable, meaning you can literally switch out any key any switches you want without having to desolder, which is honestly pretty cool. So before getting into the sound test, I just wanted to apologize for this video being short and not providing enough information. I will leave a link in the description down below to this keyboard and links to other videos that provide more information on this keyboard. But anyways, let me just stop talking, and here is the sound test. So yeah, overall, this keyboard is a little pricey, but it is honestly like one of the greatest keyboards I've owned. Or if you're just getting into custom keyboards, I highly recommend getting this keyboard because honestly, it would just give you a lot of practice, and honestly, it's just a really good keyboard overall. Anyways, I'm going to wrap up the video here. Like I said, I apologize for this video being short, and if you guys have any questions about this keyboard, just leave them in the comments down below, and I'll try to answer all the questions that you guys ask. So yeah, anyways, hope you enjoyed. Leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out.